Greetings, my name is Lula from grade 6.
And I'm Ben.
The topic that we're going to talk about today is,
Outer space.
but what if the Earth is not enough?
The problems right now with the Earth are overpopulation, global warming, pollution, deforestation, pandemic, and diseases.
But what if the Earth can't be fixed? So what do we do? Should we move to another planet or should we try and save the Earth once more?
Or should we resolve the problems?
This is our class project from grade 6. Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Matthew.
My name is Aston, and we're going to explain about our PE and math project.
I'm going to talk about PE in first, and after you explain about this project.
Okay, Matthew.
The PE project is about the sport of running. We chose this topic because the theme of our class this year is what if it's not enough, and we need to do some sport to keep us healthy. Alu Muhammad Zohi. He won the gold medal and became the world champion at Hilasari. He is known as the fastest man in Asia for reaching the semifinals of the 1986 Olympics and competing with the World Cup athletes such as Ben Johnson. And finally, we showed 5 pictures of the Pan XX Couple 2021. Okay, Aston, your turn now.
Thanks, Matthew. I'm going to explain about our math project. Project is about planets in our solar system and the distance and period of revolution around the sun. We made it using camera. I'm going to be explaining about the nearest and furthest planet from the sun. Let's start with Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is about 16 million kilometers from the sun and it takes 90 Earth days to revolve around the sun. Next is Pluto in our solar system. Pluto is a dwarf planet and it's beyond the Kuiper belt. Pluto is 5,913 million kilometers away from the sun, and it takes 250 Earth years to revolve around the sun. Thanks for listening.
Hello, I'm Calista.
And I'm Lourdes. Today we will explain about our Bahasa Indonesia project.
Our Bahasa Indonesia project is about ilmuwan yang menyelamatkan bumi, which means inventor who saved the world.
In this project, we had to write an essay about the inventors.
The essay had to contain about the inventor's profile, biography, the invention, a picture of the inventor, and our opinion on the connection the invention has with saving the world.
What does this project have to do with our project topic? The inventions they made are helpful to to the Earth and they don't harm the Earth.
Example, a solar panel, windmill, and making a plastic bag out of cassava. Thank you for listening to our
Thank you for
project
listening
explanation.
to our explanation.
Hello, my name is Karandra. Today I will be explaining our digital literacy project as detailed as I can. Our digital literacy project is about deforestation, global warming, and other things that can destroy the earth like pollution. We made this project starting from the script to the recording for the slides. This project was made in Canva with as many as 6 to 12 slides. The script helps us with what we're going to say in this project. We choose a different topic about something we learned at science, such as pollution and deforestation. Thank you for listening and take care! Hello friends, today I will talk about acid rain and why it's bad for the environment. I'll talk about the causes of acid rain and its effects on the environment. Acid rain is when the rain starts a chemical reaction with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides when they are released into the air. Effects of acid rain are corrosion, monuments getting destroyed, and other effects to humans are headaches and other side effects I forgot. Don't attack me, please. The effects of acid rain to wildlife is that it will make trees weak and to the point it can't support itself and fall. The reason it's bad is because birds and other animals like to make their homes in trees, and if the trees fall, the animals will have no place to live or might die. Aquatic life will also be affected by this. The water might be toxic for the animals to drink, and the life underwater will be destroyed, and fish might die, and froggies will not hatch or die inside. And the water we drink will be bad, and we might suffer side effects. I forgot. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a good day, and bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Ashlyn, and I will be explaining the Art and Craft project. The things we needed for this project is cardboard, acrylic or oil paint set, paint brushes, 5 pieces of styrofoam or extra leftovers from your cardboard, and double tape or box glue. The first step was to cut your cardboard into circle shapes, and then cut your styrofoam or cardboard into small squares, then color the cardboard circles to make them planet and one sun. You can choose any color you want though. And then paste your sun and paste Saturn and put a ring on it, then paste the styrofoam or cardboard pieces into the base, then paste the rest of the planets, then you're done.
My name is Sophia, and I will be talking about our science class project. It's about how we could save the earth, water, and energy. If we don't save the environment, our trees could be gone, everything is stinky, and the lack of oxygen, fruits, etc. Protesters that burn the world. There's a lot more reasons why we should save the earth. My number one reason is because it's our only planet that we can live on currently. If you want to save the earth, I recommend
你好，我的名字是 Matthew。现在我想告诉你关于星星的事情。太阳、水星、金星、地球、火星、木星、土星、天王星、海王星。谢谢。
Earth, 地球 Saturn, 土星 Neptune, 海王星 Mercury, 水星 Mars, 火星 Jupiter, 木星 Uranus, 天王星 Venus, 金星
Sun, 太阳.
Hello, my name is Mateo.
And I'm Jethro.
Today we will be talking about what if Earth was not enough. If we want to go to outer space, it will be scary because when you're launching up and you're inside the rocket, then it will
It would be scary. What if the rocket exploded?
I agree with Jethro. What if that happens? That actually happened in real life. This English project is just doing some research on the rise in population throughout the years. You will choose an alternative way of living in outer space. Please explain how difficult it would be to live alive in outer space. That's our project in English.
Ooh,
What?
I want to go to outer space.
Wait, you said that you don't want to go to outer space because the rocket.
Forget it.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah, but I changed my mind. If the space shuttle didn't explode, we could see so much planet and stars. And what if we met aliens?
Then I would run away. But if they're friendly, I will not run away. I will just stand by. If the aliens are rabid, I will have been dead.
I want to go to outer space. If it seems fun, I can see other planets and I can float in space.
This is my final product, and I think if the world isn't enough, then we may have to live in outer space or on another planet. It's really dangerous though, unless there's a way to bring enough human needs.
This is my final product, and I think it's possible if we can make a rocket or spaceship that travels at the speed of light, and also if the prices are affordable. We need a lot of people to be astronauts and help us fly the spaceships, carry supplies, and build bases and rocket turrets.
This is my final project, and I think we have to solve the problem on Earth because it will be hard to live in outer space.
Traveling to another planet is as equal to the dangers of staying on Earth, and staying on Earth is the equivalent of finding a new planet. It depends on the condition of Earth and condition of space. If the Earth is in a condition where it cannot be repaired, then I will choose to go to space. But like I said, it depends on the condition of everything.
It is possible, but at the same time, the planet would end somehow. If the Earth perishes, we need to live to make our existence alive. If we build a spaceship, we can go to other planets. But if we live in a spaceship, we can't necessarily get all of our resources. The best solution would be if we live in both, so we have a backup plan when it's time. But everything ends at some point, right? Can we possibly do this? Maybe.
There will be limited resources that might lead to diseases and people wouldn't be able to live. So I think we have to fix most problems on the Earth to resolve it. Technology might help, but it's too complicated.
It is impossible to live in other planets because it's risky and it will take a long time to travel, and you can't carry enough resources such as food, water, and maybe gas and electricity. There might be obstacles like asteroids blocking your path to another planet. It will be hard to make food, water, and there will be limited oxygen on other planets. You can't farm food on other planets because there is technically no soil.